In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching. So first thing you want to do is go to Task Manager and then make sure the game is exited. So if you see the game here, right click and then End Task. If you see Steam, then exit it from here. Exit Steam here as well, and then go to Details. And then if you see Steam or the game, just right click and then End Process Tree. After that, go to Windows Security. And then here you will check if this is what's causing the game to not open. Go to Protection History. If you see the game here, the game name will show here. Then you will just have to allow it to run by clicking Restore. Now, if you want this to stop, then you can go to Manage Settings and disable this option. Also disable these other options just to check that if they are the one causing the issue. Then later you can just enable them if you figured out the issue fix. And then you can just try to restart the game and restart your computer, and this should fix it.